HELIOS WebShare makes remote access to server files easy and secure. WebShare runs on your company's server, and users can use any web browser to remotely access, manage, and synchronize files, view images and documents, and much more. WebShare is highly secure with excellent access controls. The user interface can easily be customized for individual users and groups. Watch all the Quick Start guides to learn more about using WebShare. In this Quick Start guide, we learn about remote file synchronization using WebShare Manager. WebShare Manager is a feature of WebShare that adds web-based drag-and-drop workflow support, as well as remote file synchronization. Using any web browser, remote users can view server content in HELIOS WebShare and drag and drop files straight from WebShare into a project folder on their local workstation. Likewise, users can drag local files into the project folder and they will be uploaded to the WebShare server. In addition, WebShare Manager includes options for automatic one-way or two-way synchronization of file changes. These WebShare Manager capabilities make WebShare more intuitive to use, facilitate remote project collaboration, and enable automatic remote backups. WebShare Manager is available for Mac and Windows clients. To get started, copy WebShare Manager to your local computer from the HELIOS Applications volume using EtherShare, PCShare, or WebShare. On Windows clients, run the installer program HELIOS WebShare Manager Setup.exe to install WebShare Manager. Launch WebShare Manager and also log into your WebShare server. To get started with WebShare Manager, we first need to create a new project, which is a list of files on the WebShare server that you wish to work with. As described in the WebShare Manager window, to create the initial project, simply drag and drop a file or folder from the WebShare browser into the project window. A settings window opens with most fields already filled in. Specify a project name and click Save. The selected files are then immediately copied from the WebShare server to the project folder on your computer. If a file download gets interrupted, it will automatically resume when the connection is restored. Each WebShare Manager project file list is in effect a virtual directory that can list files anywhere on a WebShare server. As you can see, this makes it easy to work with a group of files related to a project, even though those files might be scattered in many directories on the WebShare server. Note how each project file name references both the version on the server and the local copy. Local files can also be added to a project, once again via drag and drop. In this case, the local files are immediately uploaded to the WebShare server. In addition to drag and drop, files can be downloaded via the File, New Download menu. This method works even if you do not have WebShare itself open. Local project files and their directories are easily opened by clicking the respective icons. The Get Info menu item or toolbar icon opens a window showing file details and allows changing the color label and adding file comments. These labels and comments are shown in WebShare upon synchronization. Creating additional projects is easy. Simply use the Projects New menu. Once a project is created, there are always two copies of each file in the project, one on the WebShare server and another on the local workstation. What makes WebShare Manager unique is that it can automatically synchronize these files. Each WebShare Manager project has a synchronize plan to define how and when changes to the local and remote files get synchronized. Let's define a plan for the Ad Campaign project. Click on Settings, Synchronize Plan, New. Give the plan a descriptive name. If you check Allow Synchronize for Downloads, then modified files on the WebShare server will be downloaded to the local project directory during the next file synchronization, replacing the current local copy. If you check Uploads, then modified local copies of project files will be uploaded to the WebShare server during the next synchronization, replacing the prior version there. The advanced settings allow additional synchronization options. If the project option for Uploads Backup Original Files is checked, then when a locally changed file is uploaded to the WebShare server, it does not overwrite the original. Instead, each revision is uploaded and saved with the suffix save, save1, etc. appended to the file name. If you have both upload and download synchronization enabled for a project, and it happens that both the local and remote copies of a file are changed, then the status icon will indicate a conflict, and you can then use the upload or download buttons to choose which file should be used. The synchronization capabilities make it easier to access and work with project files wherever you are, and they facilitate remote collaboration. In addition, WebShare Manager can be used to automate remote backups. Local project files can be automatically backed up to the WebShare server, preventing data loss and enabling remote access. We have seen how WebShare Manager adds drag and drop ease to transfer and work with remote files. Remote two-way synchronization keeps everything coordinated. WebShare Manager is included with WebShare, so put it to good use. Additional tips can be found in the WebShare Manager manual. And that's how you do it. See the other WebShare Quick Start guides to learn more about file transfers, remote collaboration, administration, and more. You can even demo WebShare at the Helios website, or download a test drive to try out for 30 days on your own server.